Kayaking in Antarctica is an unforgettable experience. Travelling through the water without engine noise allows much more intimate wildlife encounters. Sitting low in the water, you really are right down at eye level with nature. These slick and efficient craft are also easy to paddle and extremely stable, allowing you to relax and enjoy the scenery and the wildlife, free from worry, providing you with a perfect spot to see every sight and hear every sound. At Wildfoot Travel, our team have many years of kayaking experience in the polar regions. We'd like to share that experience to help you get the most out of your polar kayaking adventure, and to enjoy it at the best possible price. Right now, we have a limited number of free kayaking places to offer on our polar expedition cruises for 2021, in both Antarctica and the Arctic. For full details, sign up now using the link below.